Sink Drain Filter. The two PCS kitchen sink strainers by Cedy are a reliable and essential addition to any kitchen sink. These sink drain filters are designed to effectively prevent clogging, allowing water to flow freely while trapping debris and food particles. One of the standout features of this product is its high-quality construction. Made from stainless steel, the strainers are durable and long-lasting. The polished finish adds an elegant touch to any sink, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Moreover, this material is rust-free, ensuring that the sink strainers maintain their functionality and appearance over time. Measuring at 4.5 inches in width and 0.9 inches in height, these strainers are designed to fit most standard kitchen sinks. The size is neither too big nor too small, striking a perfect balance between functionality and convenience. Installation is easy and hassle-free, making it suitable for both experience.
This 2-PCS kitchen sink strainer by FangBa is a high-quality stainless steel product that offers excellent functionality and durability. As an expert product marketer with over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that this sink strainer is a reliable addition to any kitchen. In terms of product information, the 2-PCS kitchen sink strainer measures 4.5 inches, 1 inch, 4.5 inches, and weighs a mere 3.2 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The strainer is made of stainless steel, which not only provides a sleek and modern look, but also ensures its long-lasting performance. It is designed to fit most standard sinks, making it convenient for a wide range of users. One of the notable technical details about this sink strainer is its item model number, which is 1603131813. This specific model from FangBa is known for its efficiency in preventing food particles, debris, and other solid waste from Clog.
Hair Catcher, upgraded drain catcher with silicone by Aluvor, is a remarkable product designed to solve one of the most common and frustrating problems in bathrooms, clogged drains. With its innovative features and high-quality construction, this drain catcher offers an effective and long-lasting solution. One of the standout features of this product is its material. Made from sturdy stainless steel, the drain catcher is built to withstand regular use and resist corrosion. This ensures its durability and guarantees a reliable performance over time. The stainless steel finish adds a sleek and modern touch to any bathroom decor. The dimensions of the drain catcher, measuring 4.45 inches in width and 1.45 inches in height, make it suitable for various drain sizes. Its round shape and large size increase its efficiency in trapping hair and preventing it from clogging the drain. This product is the
2PCs. Material, stainless steel finish. Type, polished product dimensions, 4.5, WW1. H special feature, rust-proof style, traditional item. Weight, 3.84 ounces. Manufacturer, Honmine, Asen, B0, B4, QZD 77, M item model. Number, Eskielk, customer. Reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars, 5,283 best sellers. Rank, #375 in tools and home improvement, C top 100 in tools and home improvement, #6 in kitchen drains and strainers. Finish types, polished assembly required, no batteries required, no this 2PCs, sink strainer for most kitchen sink drain. Baskets from Honmine is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a polished finish, this sink strainer not only provides functionality, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this sink strainer is its rust-proof construction. It is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and resist corrosion, ensuring its low.
Basket replacement for standard offered by Hilltop Products is a reliable and durable option for anyone in need of a high-quality kitchen sink strainer. With its modern design and polished finish, this product not only functions effectively, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Made from a combination of stainless steel, plastic, and rubber, this sink strainer is designed to be durable and corrosion-resistant, ensuring that it will last for a long time. Its compact size, measuring at 3.25 inches in width and 4 inches in height, makes it suitable for standard sinks. The Hilltop Products sink strainer features a special stopper combo basket that effectively prevents food particles, debris, and other unwanted objects from clogging your sink. This feature is particularly beneficial for all users, as it helps maintain a clean and clear drain, preventing blockages that can be inconvenient to deal with.